Hello, this is Wayne Scherer, and welcome to the Project Action Machine. This is a very basic website, and for a good reason. The real meat of the website is the Action Machine itself, and thus I decided there really isn't a reason to surround this with a bunch of fancy headers and a bunch of fancy, graphics that really don't do anything for you. Other than look pretty, and look pretty really isn't what this is about. This is about being efficient and maximizing your time. So what is Project Action Machine? Well, it's a online version of the Action Machine Pro, which I have the rights to sell, and the reason I have it for you is because if you're like me, I already have tons of software jamming up my my hard drive, and I really don't need a whole bunch more on the hard drive. So when this online version came out, I thought this was great because I could run this using somebody else's server server time and computing time versus my own computer's time, other than to run the browser, which I'm already running anyhow. So that's exactly what it is. So this is the home page, projectactionmachine.com, and so this is one way to get in. You can just click the login, and of course you get there or whatever, and your information comes up, and I'm already in. So when you log in, the page you actually get taken to is this one right here. This is your getting started page. So there. Since this is my first video showing you this, I haven't put it in the little block that's where the video goes, but that's where you'll see it when you've logged in, and so that's be the first thing you're doing is watching the video to see how this is done. The second thing you need to do is your account details. We'll take you over to that page right now. Why not? The most important thing is your PayPal email address, because you get paid directly to your PayPal account with any sales. And right now it's selling for, most likely it's selling for $27, but depending on the demand, I may raise that price. And you're going to get 75% commissions on all of the sales on this. And the reason for that is because I think, I know this is a cross-niche product, so it doesn't matter what niche you're selling in. If you're selling to other people who are interested in your niche, almost everybody that's spending money has reason to try to save time. And if they're doing it on the internet, they use the internet. And this Project Action Machine is a real management efficiency extravaganza. It really does put you to the task and keep you on track, instead of allowing you, like I do. I just end up off in every direction unless I have something keeping me on track, because my mind just goes everywhere. All right, so your PayPal address is very important here. Your tax information is important, but let's go back to the Getting Started page, clicking the Get Started on the menu, and then you see down here, the other thing to ensure you get paid is going to pay people online. This is completely free. You just go in there and you register your tax information, and that makes it available to me so that I don't have to deal with the IRS in any way other than paying the taxes I'm required. Too many people online are taken down by tax audits, and not because they really did anything illegal. The only thing they didn't do was have a piece of paper that showed who the people were they paid to. So that's what People Online does. It gives you a free way to register that. More and more businesses are coming on to this system, so it actually makes it so once you're in there, you don't have to ever do this again. So any other business that's using the Pay for People Online that you're affiliating for, your information is immediately available to them. So you just go in there, you sign up for your free account, and you don't have to sign up as a vendor. You can just sign up as a user, and you go ahead in there. Okay, it's very simple. But if you don't register your tax information with me, you're not going to get paid, and I'm sorry, but that's the way it is. So I'm not going to jail for you. I'm not paying thousands of dollars of fines because you made a sale. Not going to happen. If you don't understand that, and I'm sorry, I guess you're not really serious about having a business yourself. Yeah, I'm always to the point. Next is the step 3 is going to the Action Machine itself. It's the Action Machine button, which of course you can click right here, but it's also right up here, the Action Machine, and it takes you straight there. All right, here it is. It's coming up, loading. This is the desktop version, and another reason for this is so the actual the downloadable self-running version doesn't run on Macs, and this will run on anything because it runs through your browser. I'm not going to show you how to set all these up and run them because there is already a help video, so I don't like to duplicate stuff for you that's already there. So how do you get to the help? This is almost self-explanatory. You start pointing at things and clicking them and selecting the time you want on them and putting them up there, and they start to run automatically. And a couple other little options over here, setting your alarms to whatever you want it to be. Those are all pretty basic functions. Stop that. But it's very simple to get help. Let me just quickly show you this. The little multicolor buttons, those actually change the background. So right now you see I have that. I have the green one up. If I want it to be this crazy looking purple, this pretty blue, it'll change instantly for you. All right. And right here is the help, the little question mark. You just click that, all right? Click it, bing. And into the help you go. And there's an entire video series that shows you exactly how to use it, how to set up your action list if it's confusing to you, and a written guide that you can print off and keep handy if that's easier for you to use. Some people like written, some people like visual and audio. And I actually like all three, so so it's all right there. It's already been made for you, so I'm not going to remake that. You just click the link you want, and it takes you to the video series, and it shows you exactly how to do every little feature of the Project Action Machine. Okay, very, very simple. You put this to work and you start using this daily to manage your task. It will save you time. It's because what it does, if you notice, it's lining up your tasks for you and takes you from one to the other. You can even put in your breaks. You should have breaks in here so that you don't get stuck. But see, this is the default list, and you'll see in the help menus that you quite literally get to make any list you want. You go to your custom list and you create your task and what I want to do, and you just quite literally add it to the list, and now your task is there, and then you just put it up on your thing, and it starts going, and then you save your new list, and that's really all there is to creating it. But it's all right there in the video series, so take advantage of that. All right. So if you have any questions, the help desk is right here, and I'll try to get you the answers. I'm building more and more promo tools, but if you need promotional tools, right now you can use the Tell a Friend and the email signatures, and I'm going to be adding emails and various other things as we go in a little bit more direction for you. All right, so, and you'll be able to track your earnings on this page right here. So you'll be set. Be sure to enter your tax ID number there, even though you do have to get into the Pay People Online in order to be sure you get paid. That's really all there is. If you have any questions, remember, go ahead and use the help desk. It sends it directly to me, and I'll be glad to answer your questions. All right, thank you for joining me in Project Action Machine. Take advantage of it. Offer it to your list. There's no recurring fee, even though it looks like a membership site. It's just a one-time. You're just buying the rights to have it as long as this website is active, and you get 75% commissions on anything that comes this way. Thanks again, and put the Project Action Machine to work. And